Hello everyone. So my name is Saifullah and today I'm going to talk about SQL injection. So what is SQL injection? So basically SQL injection is a type of security vulnerability that allows an attacker to interfere with the queries that an application makes to its database. So basically SQL injection is a type of attack that exploit a security vulnerability occurring in the database layer of an application or website. It allows an attacker to interfere with the queries that an application or website makes to its database. So this will eventually result in unauthorized access or manipulation of the database. So let's head over to the demo, shall we? So here we have an example of the online banking login website that we're going to use for our SQL injection. So what is our username and password is that we don't know. So how about we try to prove what is? We try to brute force the login page. They say that we're going to use the username is admin. Why? Because it is a commonly used username for administrative login. So passwords, let's just say that the password is password 123 and click login and boom. We say that login failed. We're sorry, but this username or password was not found in our system. So what is this? So let's just say that this is basically what the website query for database like from the login website. This is basically what we are typing for. Username is admin and password 123. So this is basically just a basic query language for a login page that we use right now. So in here, we just say that the user are admin and the password is password 3. So if one of these are true and one of these is false, so basically it will return to false and log in. Use this here. So if both are true, the password and the username are true, you can log in for sure. So let's jump right to the SQL language, SQL injection. So how to do this SQL injection? So basically, just put admin and put the question mark here. So what did you do? This will make sure that the question mark sits right here. So this means that this is a string, right? But look at here, you can see that we can put another string from the username part. So we could put the function, the payload, or 1 equal to 1, and you can see here that the payload will look like equal to 1. These are two different strings because there's or in the middle of the string. So you just see this is true. We can bypass the login function. See, my password is the same, password 3, then we log in, then boom, hello admin user, we find get to the inside the login page, finally bypass the login page. So what is this? How this can be done? Why? What happened? So here's the thing. Since 1 is equal to 1, so 1 is equal to 1. So it's true, right? So this part ensures that because we have OR here, we put an OR and it's true. So this part ensure that the where clauses here is true for all the rows in the table. So that's why you can bypass the log function. You can log in without the use of correct password. So another payload that we can use is go back to the login page. You can use admin at the quotation mark and this. So what is this? This here in SQL language. This here is a sequence of a comment marker. So that means that everything after this is ignored. So the query will do like this. So this here, the database will not run and will not read this part because it turned out to be a comment section here. So will not read that. So basically we just delete it. So just say that select from users by username is equal to admin. Are the username is equal to admin? If yes, then we can log in. We don't need a password or anything. See in here, just use say my password is 134, then click login, and then boom, you can finally log in to the page again without the use of password. So that's basically how SQL injection works. It's basically you basically manipulate the query of the login page. You can see here, we just basically interrupt the query of the login page for our use. So that's just a basic of it, but watch the video till the end so we can learn more about SQL language.
Okay, right now we move to Owasp Zap approach. So what is Owasp Zap? Basically, it was a free open source web application security scanner designed to identify vulnerabilities in web applications. It offers both automated and manual testing tools, including active and passive scanning, spidering, fuzzing, and intercepting proxy. Zap is widely used by developers and security professionals to find and fix security issues early in the development process, integrate security testing into CI/CD pipelines, and perform comprehensive security assessment. Its user-friendly interface, extensive features, and strong community support make it an essential tool for web application security. So I guess maybe you guys still wondering what is this application about. So don't worry, I will show it to you guys later. So stay tuned. So hello guys, right now I would like to demonstrate to all of you about how the hackers can find the vulnerabilities on this website by using the tools Owasp Zap. So this is Altoro Mutual website, which is an online banking website, where you guys know that this is just a demo website. Okay, so you guys can use it for hacking practice or penetration test practice. So let's start our pen test. Okay, so we start up our Zap. So here, welcome to Zap. So there are two options here, which is this is a automated scan and this is a manually scan. So today I will like to use manually scan. So here we need to put the link of the website. So I already put the link, and then we enable the HUD. So here we can choose our favorite browser. So I would like to choose Chrome, and then we launch the browser. So we wait in a second, and then yeah, it come out. So this is basically the website on the browser that link with the Zap. So we go to the online banking login, and then we just write some random username, so random password, and then yeah, we log in. Okay, so as you can see, we failed to log in, so just ignore it. So here you can see there is a history in at the bottom part. So we just click here, sites. So this is just a file, I mean from the website when we try running the website. So we go here, yeah, the demo testfirenet, which is the link of the website, and then so we can see the post. Post is actually the website for the login page. So we click request, and then we can see this. This is the query for the login page, which is I put admin and the password is pass123. So we fail to log in. So how the hackers can find the vulnerabilities in this website? So let's attack. Here we click, we right click here, and then we choose attack, and then we choose first. So here we need to choose our username, and then we add, and then here there are two options actually. You can use file fuzzers, which is we need to find the SQL injection. Here SQL injection, you can choose this, but I would like to prefer to use file, which is I already have the SQL bypass list, so I have saved it in my laptop. So here, where's my file? Okay, alright, okay, so this is, yeah, this is my SQLi list. So in this list I have already list all the SQLi injection bypass list, so I have to add it. So we click OK, and then we do the same for the password. We add, and I would like to choose file. We select the file. Here, where's my SQLi list? Here, I put the file, and then open, and then we add. Oops, cancel. Okay. Alright, so we have done. So we have to start further. Okay, so here you can see down here. Here we can see a reflected. Actually, the reflected is the symbolic of the vulnerabilities happen. So here, when you click here, you can see the vulnerabilities happen in this website. So this is, if you can see the reason just now, it said that internal server error. Maybe that's why the vulnerabilities happen. So maybe it would like to take a long time for us to find where is the password, but I can show you from this reflected part. The hackers can check one by one and see what is the password of the login page. So that's how the hackers exploit the vulnerabilities from this website. Okay, so I would like to share with you guys about something cool while using these tools, which is maybe you can do some pen test for this website. So we go to quick start, and then we go to the main page. So we use automatic run. So we paste our link, our website link, and then we use traditional spider, use Ajax spider if modern with, just like you can choose the browser. So I would like to use Chrome headless, and then we have to attack. Okay, but I would like to remind you that this kind of act would cost you. I mean, like, maybe if you do it carelessly, maybe you get caught and you might go into the jail because, yeah, they already, you know, they can trace your IP address. So don't do this automated scan on just simply any website that you found. Okay, you have you need have the permission, of course you need it. So we have to attack in 3 2 1. Let's attack. Okay, so this is how the penetration test running in this Zap application. So you can see here in the traditional spider, I mean, like, this is the URL, this is the send the URL. So this is a Jack spider. So maybe it would like to take a long time. Maybe you can make some coffee while watching this penetration test being done. Here, oh, it will be long. Okay, finally it's come out. So maybe from here, yeah, you can see this is the highest alert. Maybe this is where the vulnerabilities would happen. So this is how, when the hackers see this, they will find a way to crack or a backdoor to get in, to get the access into this website. So this is currently how we done the penetration attack. And so this is exactly how the hackers find a way to get the access for the website. So I think that's all for me for the demonstration. So I hope that you guys got some overview about how the hackers do this. So along the videos, I think you guys will get a lot of things on your mind, right? Like about how the hackers done the SQL injection attack for cracking the password, and how they can find the vulnerabilities on the website by using Owasp Zap. So there are some awareness and findings that I would like to share with you guys, which is the first one: if you need to learn about SQL injection attack at least a little bit, right? I mean, around the login form, at least you know how the common query and common field that hacker exploited. Because you know what, the SQL injection attack is an old technique hacking, but still it was one of the most dangerous hacking technique. So it would be scary. The next one, we should have an ethical consideration, because you have to perform testing only on system you have explicit permission to test, and report any vulnerabilities that you found and help the organization fix them. And then maybe you should do some regular security audits, like conduct regular security audits and pen tests to identify and fix vulnerabilities. And the last one, maybe we should implement security measures. Like right now, people are exposed about this. Like use a strong password, use a firewall, and use multi-factor authentication. And we have also biofactor authentication, and then input validation and parameterized queries. This all to prevent SQL injection attack. So by analyzing all this activity, you guys can see how the successful cracking password attempt and how the hacker can easily get an access to a vulnerability website. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and goodbye.